Hello, this is Inequality and Modulus lesson 2.2. In this, I will discuss questions based on modulus. Now, first question is x square minus mod of x minus 3 plus 6. This is greater than 0. You need to find the range of x. Now, we know that mod can be opened like this. Mod of x minus 3, its value will be equals to same, that is x minus 3 when the number is positive. It means that x minus 3 itself is greater than equals to 0. Or it means that if you solve this, can I say that x must be greater than equals to 3. Whenever x is greater than equals to 3, you can open this mode as only x minus 3. And its value will be minus of x minus 3 when x minus 3 itself is negative. Or you can say that x is less than 3. Because x minus 3 is negative, overall value of the mode should always be positive. So that's why I have multiplied this by minus. Now you can solve and calculate the answer. X square minus, first of all, mode will be as it is, x minus 3 plus 6. This is greater than 0. Now there is a condition that x must be greater than equals to 3. On this condition, I can put the value of mode of x minus 3 as only x minus 3. Hence this is x square minus x. This will become plus 3 plus 6. This is 9. This is greater than equals to 0. Greater than 0. Now if you find the roots of this expression by making it equals to 0, you will find that the roots are complex. So we can't express this line as x minus a into x minus b. We can't express like this. I'm just writing. You can't factorize this as x minus a into x minus b. This is greater than 0. And then solve on the number line. You can't do like this because the roots are complex. Now what do you have to do in such kind of question? In such kind of questions, you have to make a perfect square. Now what are the perfect square? Perfect square are of type a plus minus b whole square. So this will be equals to x square. I will make a perfect square. This is 2 and I will multiply this by half into x. I have multiplied and divided by 2 and this is greater than 0. Now how this will give us the benefit? Can I say this is half minus 2 into 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by 2 square I will add and 1 by 2 square I will subtract. This is whole greater than 0. Now can I say this is x minus half whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, plus this will become 9 minus 1 by 4. This is 35 by 4 you will get, and this is greater than 0. Now you can see that this must be greater than 0 on our value that what is the condition? Condition is that your x must be greater than equals to 3. For all x greater than equals to 3, this is definitely greater than 0. So if you put any value of more than 3, this will become positive. 3 or more than 3, this is always positive. The sum will be greater than 0. So this is true for all x greater than equals to 3. Now take the second condition when x is less than 3. I am taking x is less than 3. Now the mode will open like this. X square minus of mode value will be minus of x minus 3 plus 6. This is greater than 0. If we solve this, come x square plus x minus 3 plus 6. This is greater than 0. This is x square plus x plus 3 greater than 0. Again we'll make a perfect square. X square plus 2 into half multiplied divided by 2 into x plus 3 greater than 0. Again you will add half square and subtract half square. So this will become, I'm just writing a shortcut way, x minus x plus half whole square plus this will get 3 minus 1 by 4, that is 11 by 4. This is greater than 0. Now this must be greater than 0. We need to check this must be greater than 0. Is it true for all x less than 3? I need to check. If I put anything x less than 3, will this be true? If I put anything less than 3, will this be true? Yes, because even if you put negative value of x, this will become positive because this is square and 11 by 4 is always positive. So for all x less than 3, this inequality is true and for all x greater than equals to 3, this inequality is also true. So can I say that this is true for all values of x? When I say this is true for x less than 3, it means this is true for minus infinity to 3, anything you want to put. For x minus infinity to 3, this is true for all the values. When I say this, it means that from 3 to infinity, this is true for all values of x. If you combine this, you will get minus infinity to infinity. So it means that this is true for minus infinity to infinity, or you can say that all real numbers. So the answer, the range of x is all real numbers, because this inequality is true for all real numbers from minus infinity to infinity. Question number 2 is mod of x minus, inside mod x minus 2, this is equals to 6. You need to find the integral solution for this. It means that how many integer values of x satisfies this. Now pause the video, try to solve yourself. Now I am solving. Can I say that only mod of plus minus 6 will be equals to 6? It means that even if the inside value is minus 6, the outside value is 6. Even the inside value is plus 6, the outside value is 6. So can I say that this part I'm making the spiral, this part would be either plus 6 or it would be minus 6. In both the cases, the outside value output would be 6. So what I will do, I will put once, can I say that this is x minus mod of x plus 2, once upon it, this will be 6, and second case it would be minus 6. Mod of x minus 2, this is equals to minus 6. Now I will solve for these, both of these, and I will get my answer. Can I say this is further solved in two ways? Can I say mod x minus 2, this value will be x minus 2 as it is. Mod value is as it is, inside is positive. It means that the condition will be here that x minus 2, from here the condition is that x minus 2 must be greater than equals to 0. If this is the true, then can I say the x must be greater than equals to 2. So you can see that here it will cancel out. This is equals to 2 is equals to 6. This is not possible. So this will get cancelled out. Now I will solve second part. Can I say the x minus, the mod value will be minus of x minus 2. The mod value will be minus of x minus 2. This is equals to 6. Now condition is that when x minus 2 itself is negative, or you can say that x is less than 2, the mode will open like this. Can I say that this will be equals to how much? X minus, can I say that x plus x minus 2, this is equals to 6. Can I say that 2x is equals to 8. This is not 4, this is 8, and x is equals to 4. But our condition is that x must be less than 2, so this is contradictory. So this is also wrong. So no solution will come from this side. Solving the right hand side, can I say that this x minus 2, the mode will be as it is. This is equals to minus 6. The mode value will be as it is when x minus 2 is greater than equals to 0. Or you can say that x is greater than equals to 2. Again you can say that this will becomes 2 is equals to minus 6, which is not true. So this will get cancelled out. Now mode value will be minus of x minus 2. The mode value will be minus of x minus 2 when x minus 2 is less than 0 or x is less than 2. So put the value as minus of x minus 2. Can I say this will become minus of x minus 2. This become x plus x minus 2. This is equals to minus 6. Can I say this is 2x is equals to minus 6 plus 2. This is minus 4, and x is equals to minus 2. And this is valid because condition was that x must be less than 2. So x is equals to minus 2 is the only solution for this inequality. So x is equals to minus 2 is the only solution for this inequality. One solution, one integral solution will be our answer. Now question number 3 is fx is equals to mod of x minus 3 plus mod of x minus 6 plus mod of x minus 10. Now there can be many questions based on this type. First it could be like the range of x you need to find, or minimum or maximum value. So I will find all the three. Can you calculate the maximum value of this? Maximum value will be infinity because you put any value of x, you will get the bigger and bigger values. So let's say I am putting x is equals to 100. So 100 minus 3 plus 100 minus 6, this will be big value. If you put x as 10 power 6, the more bigger value will fx will come. If you put x as 10 power 100, more bigger values of fx will come. So maximum value is infinity or cannot be determined. but we can determine the minimum value for this. How so? Again, what I told you, the meaning of mod x minus a. I told you that mod x minus a simply means that distance of any point x on the number line from a. Distance of any point x on the number line from a. That is the meaning of mod of x minus a, I told you in the previous lessons. So what we need to calculate, this is the number line. The distance, our point is x, so we need to find the distance of x from 3 on the number line, from 6 on the number line, and from 10 on the number line. This must be minimum. We need to find the minimum values. So our x must be a point, so that the distance of x from 3, 6 and 10 must be minimum. Some students try to solve these kind of question by hit and trial, so no need to solve these kind of question by hit and trial, solve by logic. So this is the distance of any point x from 3, 6 and 10. Now by common sense, if you take point outside this 10, if you take outside this 10, you will get larger values. So I am taking x and fx. Now if x is more than 10, x is, let's say here, this I am taking 11. Now if you are taking x as 11, your distance would be 11, distance of 11 from 3, this is 8, distance of 11 from 6, this is 5, distance of 11 from 10, this is 1. So the fx will become 8 plus 5, 13 plus 1, 14. This is big values. If you take even the point outside, this will also give the big value of fx or large values. Let's say I am taking 2. If you take x is equals to 2, so I am just making a line here so that this will be differentiated. So if you take x as 2, this will become 2, distance of 2 from 3, 1, distance of 2 from 6, 4, distance of 2 from 10, this is 8. So this again value is coming 13, large value. Now by common sense, your point must be inside between 3 and 10. Now between 3 and 10, if you take x is equals to 6, now very important to understand that distance of 6 from 6 is 0. Distance of 6 from 3 is 3, distance of 6 from 10 is 4. So this is the 7, and this will be the minimum value. Minimum value of fx will be 7 at point x is equals to 6, because distance of 6 from 6 is 0, and you will get the minimum value of fx. Now if you put any value of x more than 6 or less than 6, your fx will be more than 7. You can check, I will prove that. Now I am taking the blue line. Now this distance of this blue point, let's say this is x is equals to alpha, this is more than 6. I am taking x is equals to alpha, this alpha means 6, more than 6 point something. Now distance of this alpha from, let's say 10 is d1, this is distance d1, distance of this alpha from 3 is d2, this distance of alpha from 3 is d2. Now you can see that d1 plus d2 combine is 3 to 10, 7. So d1 plus d2 is 7. So fx would be d1 plus d2. This is 7. This value is equals to 7. Plus something else will come. Plus something else will come. This is the value of fx. Now this distance will be added because we need to count the distance of alpha from 6. So there will be something extra. This d3 distance. I am making this as distance d3. So can I say that answer would be, if you put x is equals to alpha, so answer would be 7 plus d3, because there will be some distance of alpha from 6. So same is true for even if you take point less than 6. Let's say I am taking this point beta. Even if you take beta, the value would be more than 7. So minimum value of fx would be 7 at x is equals to 6. So the basic concept in this question was that you need to find the value of x so that the distance of x from all the 3 points combining should be minimum. So it means that you must always be in the center place, because distance of center is minimum from all the parts. Now 6 is the middle point, and distance of 6 from 6 is 0, distance of 6 from 3 is 3, and distance of 6 from 10 is 10. So answer would be 7. Again you can cross verify. If you put x is equals to 6, can I say that 6 minus 3 would be, this is equals to 3, 6 minus 6 is 0, and 6 minus 10, this minus 4 mod will be 4. Can I say that this value will be 7, and this is the minimum value of fx at x is equals to 6. So range would be 7 to infinity. The range of this fx would be 7 to infinity. So that was all about this lesson. Thank you.